All right, this is my admin panel. So for the admin panel, right now I'm logging as a Dr. Becky Wei. So all the providers can be admin themselves as well, or if you want to assign a different people to be your admin, you can also do that. So this is an admin panel dashboard. So you can see all of the data. So you can see the providers, like which providers are making the most visits, or which clinic waiting rooms are making the most visits. So you can sort by these here. And down here, this is kind of like a summary. I chose the monthly view for last month, March. So you can see in the month of March, we have total 64 visits. And then this is the amount that we have collected for all these visits. And you can see the visit durations and the average time and the patient wait time, how long do they wait in your waiting room, and then how many new patients you got for this month alone. And then you can also see the graphical information over here. And all the breakdowns are at the bottom. Then you can see the individual visit down here. This is kind of like an overview dashboard for the admin panel. For the admin, they can also configure individual clinic, such as like visit options, operating hour. Then you can also, upload your logo for branding. And also the legal document like consent form. If you have a new legal document, then you can definitely upload it here. And then the next one is the rooms. So, for my clinic, I have 3 providers. So I can assign multiple providers in my waiting room. For example, this room, it has also 3 providers, and the other room, just 1 provider, 2 provider. So admin has the capability to assign, providers to appropriate waiting rooms. And then the next one is I'll skip to the users. So this is where the admin person create the users for each provider. Then they can like add or remove providers as they need it. The other thing is the scheduling system. So admin people can also schedule it on behalf of patients, on behalf of providers as well. And then next one is report. So this is more like a detailed report for, let's say, like for individual clinic, because that dashboard is kind of like an overview for all the clinics, all the waiting room that you are managing. But for individual clinic, then you can choose it here, and then you just put start date and end date. And you can search for it. And then you can export into a CVS file. So if you want to export the file and upload it into your EMR, you can do that. A lot of our customers are using VSee Clinic as a standalone solution in parallel with their EMR system. We can integrate with the EMR system, but it depends on what kind of EMR system that you're using, how complex is your system. So we definitely need to have a like discussion and then see how we can do the integration. But if you want to go live, like in a few days, in a couple of days, we recommend that you use VSee Clinic as a standalone solution. Then you can export all the data and then just upload it into your EMR system. Okay. And then we also have the cloud recording. The cloud recording could be audio cloud recording or video. So let me see if I do have any recording for this clinic. Again, for the cloud recording, we can turn it off, just let us know, and then we can implement that. And then the last one is the developer. So this is for the new future features that you can work together with us. So this is not the very user-friendly to me. I just want to show it to if you have any developers, customizing your clinic. All right, that's pretty much for the admin panel. Then we can resume to the Q&A sessions.